Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, you can see that the market has retested the previous high, which is the previous support right now, turn resistance. Very good consideration for a shorting opportunity, especially if the market hit back up to the same level. We will of course see how the candle close. It's very important. Down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see a lot of ebbs and flow of the market, and over here, this is the recent bearish movement, a break and close above the high that happens over here for one time. So for it to go bullish, it just need to break and close above 1.2667. So how can I do it in such a speed? You just require practice. 30 minutes a day, that will be enough, including your analysis, and you just go step by step. The fundamental in trading is very, very important. So don't learn how to fly before you learn how to walk, if you hear that saying before. Get your fundamentals strong before you hit in for other stuff, other cool stuff. All right, so on the 1-hour chart, this is what we have over here. Break and close below the low, not. All right, you can see where the definition of break and close below is very, very important. Okay, so that didn't happen. Okay, and we can see that yes. All right, so we can see that right now over here, it is moving into a consolidation that has slightly break and close below the low over here. Back to the daily, let me share a few of my analysis over here. On the daily chart, we have a bullish crab pattern. Looking for a second chance entry if the market retests back to 1.1483 within one screen size, meaning you say that if the market moved to here, it is still alright, for me. Alright, so if it just keep on breaking, if it breaks the high, definitely this chart is off. Alright, and of course I use this as my continuous learning as well. I have been observing, not resting after the trade has done. A lot of traders, once they finish a trade, they will just scrap it, or some of the trade setup is invalid, they won't even be plotting it because it violates some rules. For me, I still plot it, and I'll do a ongoing learning and observation as well, and this further firm up my rules in trading, and sometimes I can develop new things out of it when I see a repetition of the setup. All right, so on the 4-hour chart, pound dollar, this bullish bad pattern, very, very nicely done, a retest, then it took off. All right, and right now I'm waiting for this sharp pattern to happen at 1.2751. Overall, I did say that the daily chart is a bearish setup, but I'm not very, very excited to just place a pending order and wait it out to engage a trade. A reason being because over here, this pretty much looked like a consolidation to me, and when the market consolidate before the D price, it forms an alert to me. All right, a warning sign to me. All right, so to the 1-hour chart, we have a Gartley pattern, or rather a Deep Gartley pattern, completes near X. So we can see that there are a couple of charts that have Gartley is a love-hate relationship, because a lot of times you can see Gartley, there is a V bottom or V top, it doesn't retest. And for aggressive trader, it's good news, but for myself, conservative traders, at least in my engagement rules of engagement, when I engage a trade, I might not have the chance to wait for the retest. Okay, so let's see how this trade setup goes, and well, so how to piece this together. So for me, it's easy. All right, so I'm waiting for the market to hit up to the D price. Once it confirms, I engage a trade, shoot it up, and maybe when the market hit up, it can overextend and hit the sharp pattern. All right, so this is my side of my Hollywood way fantasizing of trading. But once it hit the first target, to me it doesn't matter anymore, because I will shift my stops to entry. And quoting from some of the best investors and traders in the world, having the same thoughts, that if an investment doesn't give you any downside, those are great investment, those are great trades. So why not give that a shot? Of course, you do a lot of testing first before you do it. Alternatively, you can just scan this QR code, join our community, and we can interact over here in the chat room as well. All right, and you get to see our trade ideas and education as well. If any questions, you can just pop in and ask me over here. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon.